Hi, and welcome to this episode on the settings required for banking with Invoice and Pay. I'm Sharon from Enterpryze, and in this session, we'll simply look at how to define your payment terms. So let's get you started. So click here on Settings, and then onto Finance and Banking. So within here, we have payment terms, and payment terms are what you link in to your customers and suppliers. So if we look at your customers, by choosing a payment term, you're defining when an invoice will be due to be paid. So for each customer, you might define a different term relevant to them or what you've agreed with that customer. So in the example below, we can click here on Add New Payment Term. We can define the code. So for example, maybe it's 14 days. We can then define what the due date calculation will be based on, and these are the options we have. So this option will choose posting date. We can select to start from, well, if we start from none, it'll just go from the posting date on the invoice, or we can wait till the month end date is reached and then it'll add on the additional days or months, the same as halfway through the month or from the start of the month. Then here we can choose if we want to put in additional months, or simply here to add additional days. So I'm going to specify 14 days and click on Save. So in this example, the 14-day payment code will be from the posting date, and it'll add an additional 14 days to that date to give the due date on the invoice to be paid. As simple as that. In addition, you can define house banks, and house banks are simply bank accounts that you can link in again to your customer and supplier accounts. So very simply click on Add New House Bank, where you can define the name, the sort code, the account number, and all the relevant account details such as the IBAN and the BIC, and of course you can set an account as default. And again, you can save. So thank you for watching, and if you require any further help, check out our articles on help.enterpryze.com or reach out to our support representatives here on the chat, where you can find further information and a direct link also to the Help Centre. So thank you for watching.